Designing your POS menu just got easier with the new Cronysoft POS Menu Template update. In this latest update, the POS Menu Designer has a new look and a more user-friendly layout. The process is still similar to the previous POS Template setup, but now it is easier to customize menus, add departments, manage product buttons, and control tender options from one screen. Hi, in this video, we'll go over the new POS Theme Menu Designer. To begin, as usual, go to the store, then select POS Register Setup. Over here, you'll see two main tabs, Registers and POS Theme. The Registers tab shows the available registers. The POS Theme tab is where you can create and manage the new POS menu templates. Click POS Theme to open the updated template section. On the POS Theme page, you can see all available templates. Each template card shows information such as template name, active or inactive status, menu details, and assigned register information. You can also use the search option to find a template by template name or menu. To create a new template, click Add Theme. This opens the new POS Menu Designer. The new designer is divided into three main areas. On the left side, you'll see basic settings, theme settings, and layout settings. In the middle, you can preview and build the product menu. On the right side, you can preview and manage the tender menu. This layout makes it easier to see how the POS menu will look while you are building it. Start by entering the template name, then select the menu you want to work with. You can search and select an existing menu from the menu list. This helps connect your template to the correct POS menu structure. You can also adjust the theme color under the theme settings. As you make changes, the POS preview updates so you can see the design more clearly. The product menu section is where you build the item and department buttons that cashiers will use on the POS. Click Add Menu to add a new menu button. The updated system now gives you a clear button type to choose from, such as Item, Products, Departments, Menu, Command, Subdepartment, All Department, Produced, and PLU groups. This makes it easier to choose exactly what kind of button you want to add. For example, if you choose Subdepartment, you can select the subdepartment you want to display. Once selected, the system can show the items connected to that subdepartment. This makes the submenu setup easier because you do not want to manually rebuild everything one item at a time. You can review the connected items from the list and confirm which products are included. This is especially useful for food menus, pizza menus, kitchen menus, or item groups that are organized by subdepartments. You can also add a department menu button. This lets you choose a department and use it as a menu button. The updated design makes department setup more user-friendly because it can pick up the products within that department. So when cashiers select the department menu on the POS, they can access the products connected to that department more easily. You can continue adding more button types depending on how you want the POS screen to work. You can adjust the title, image, departments, subdepartment, and other available settings based on the button type. One of the biggest improvements is the update in the ability to manage the tender menu more easily. On the right side, you can see the tender menu preview. By clicking Add in the tender menu section, you open the tender commands list. From here, you can add or remove tender options. For example, tender commands may include options like cash, EBT, check, discount, receipt, no sale, check price, store credit, gift card, and other available tender commands. You can select or unselect the tender options you want to show on the POS. This gives stores more control over which payment and function buttons cashiers can see. Once the product menu, button layout, theme setting, and tender menu are ready, click Save. The template will be saved under the POS theme section. From there, it can be activated and assigned to the correct register. After the register is updated and synced, the POS will show the new menu design. This update makes POS menu customization easier and more visual. Instead of switching between multiple areas, you can build the product menu, preview the layout, customize tender options, and manage buttons from one design page. It also makes department and subdepartment setups more user-friendly because the system can display the products connected to those selections. This helps store builders build cleaner, faster, and more organized POS screens for their cashiers. That's the new POS Menu Template update inside Cronysoft BackOffice. With the new menu design, Cronysoft makes POS customization faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. This update is part of the Cronysoft latest updates playlist, where we cover new back-office POS and mobile feature updates. That's all from me today on the POS Menu Template latest update. I'll catch you guys in our next video.